Hi, good morning there from Bukit Vista. This is Jing again, and today what I would like to talk about is this concept of professional networking during the COVID-19 crisis. Now, I know a lot of people are experiencing layoffs. Some people might have had to lay off some people themselves, and it's a tough time. It's a tough time, I think, for everybody. But what is an opportunity during this crisis is actually the shared difficulty that everybody is experiencing right now. So what can we do about that? What is the opportunity? Well, the opportunity is that most people have a lot of time on their hands because they're not particularly busy. Maybe they have more time on their hands because the operations in their companies isn't taking up so much time, like us here at Bukit Vista. Maybe they don't have a job. So all this can actually be advantageous to everybody seeking employment or seeking to develop their professional ties. How? So what we've been doing here at Bukit Vista for the past few weeks is an outreach program where we are trying to connect with as many experts as possible in the hospitality and in the global expansion industry to get as far as we can to become more competent as a company. So what are we doing? We're reaching out. We're reaching out to people who we think are experts. We use LinkedIn as our primary source of finding the people we want to connect to, and we send messages to them. We send messages asking if they would be interested in mentoring or guiding our journey to become the world's most innovative hospitality company. Now, we don't really control whether or not they write back to us or not, but we do control a few things, and these are important to know for anybody looking to do some professional networking. The first thing that we control is we control who we select. So we go out and we look for people with relevant experience and perhaps a overlap with what we're doing so that they would be interested in sharing with us. That's the first thing we control. The second thing we control is the timing. Generally, we're looking for people who timing is good. This can be people who have been recently maybe laid off, or maybe they're looking for new opportunities, and this is perfect timing because we think that this will be a bridge and to their careers, and it's helpful because they also have some spare time. The third thing that we control is we try to understand the problem. We try to understand the problem that person that we're reaching out to has, and we think of a message, which is the fourth thing we control, of how to address that problem. Now, it can be that they are maybe that they're a little bit more advanced in their careers and they're looking for somebody to share this brilliant experience with, or it can be that they've been recently laid off and they want to do some networking themselves just to stay sharp. So we address that, and the last thing we do is we find the appropriate channel. So it probably won't work as well if you, let's say, go to somebody's Facebook rather than LinkedIn. So we found that LinkedIn is actually one of the best channels to go and approach people through professional networking. So those are the 5 things that we do. We look for the right audience, we find the right timing, we discover the problem, we address them with the correct message, and we find the right channel. And that has actually produced really good results, of which I'll be sharing in a few other blog posts coming up. Okay? All right. Good luck, everyone, and let's get through this crisis together. Stay safe, stay healthy.